Namaste and welcome to the Personal Finance Podcast. I'm Chitra Iyer, CEO of MFA Capital, your financial coach and investments guide. Someone who believes that money is not just about numbers, it's about peace, confidence, and dignity, especially during life's most stressful moments. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about something most of us believe we have taken care of, our health cover. You have got a Mediclaim policy? Wonderful. You have bought insurance for both your parents, spouse, maybe even your child. Even better. But what happens when the hospital is out of network? The treatment is not listed. The claim is denied due to technicalities. Or you simply need a second opinion or long-term support. This is where your health corpus steps in, quietly, powerfully. Let's explore what it is, why do you need it, and how it works alongside Mediclaim to create a complete health safety net, not just for you, but your entire family. So what is health corpus? Let's begin with the basics. Health insurance is a formal contract. You pay an annual premium and the insurer agrees to pay for the hospitalization and certain treatments based on their rules. A health corpus, on the other hand, is a fund you build on your own. It's your money, invested or saved purely for present and future medical needs. Simple difference. Insurance is equal to external help, bound by conditions. Corpus is internal support, completely flexible. So let's move on to understanding why do you need both or not. A health insurance essential, no doubt. It protects you from big sudden costs like surgeries, ICU, emergencies. But insurance comes with sublimits, waiting periods, paperwork, and claim processes that can delay care. A health corpus fills all these real gaps. It pays for those OPD treatments, diagnostics, therapy, mental health care. It covers travel, second opinions, or even a private nurse. It kicks in when insurance fails, delays, or excludes. In short, Mediclaim is your helmet, the health corpus, that's your safety harness. So is it about big money? No, it's just about small discipline. You don't need 10 lakhs on day one. You can start with a very small SIP. Just say $1,000 a month or 20,000 maybe a month. Invest it wisely in a liquid fund, a short-term debt fund, a conservative hybrid plan, or even FDs. Whatever makes you feel happy. It grows over time. Unlike premiums, this money doesn't expire. It earns, accumulates, and waits patiently till you actually need it. So coverage where insurance won't go, let's talk about it. Insurance may quietly say not covered. A caregiver for a post-surgery parent, not covered. Physiotherapy at home, not covered. Alternative medicine, Ayurveda, homeopathy, maybe mental health therapy, a room upgrade in the hospital, a sudden family member's travel and stay expenses. These may not sound urgent, but they're essential in recovery. Your health corpus can quietly cover all of this. No bills, no questions, no approvals. So let me tell you what no insurer includes in their brochure. Emotional peace. When someone you love is unwell, you don't want to fight the fine print. You don't want to run behind paperwork or wait for approvals. A health corpus means you can act immediately. You don't have to ask permission to care. You get emotional and financial freedom in moments of high stress. And that sometimes is more valuable than any claim reimbursement. So what about us, the sandwich generation? We are people who are raising children while taking care of aging parents. Your health costs don't come from one direction, they come from both. Parents may not qualify for insurance anymore. Children may need regular medical attention, therapies, or emergencies. Your own insurance might not stretch enough for everyone. A health corpus becomes your multi-generational safety fund. You can dip into it when someone needs help without disturbing your lifestyle or long-term goals. Healthcare costs are rising 10 to 15% every year. But what about your insurance sum insured? That is not keeping up. You need to consciously up your medical insurance cover as you age. And one day we'll need care too. Let's not forget ourselves. We will all age. We may need help with our mobility, daily hygiene, medication, or assisted living. Most health insurance policies do not cover long term caregiving. That's where your health corpus becomes your future dignity fund. It gives you the freedom to hire help, maintain comfort, and receive care without compromising your child's needs or depending financially on anyone. You are not just planning for your child's future, you're protecting your own. Here's something most people miss: insurance only pays when you fall sick, but your health corpus can support you much before that. Annual health checkups, preventive diagnostics, vaccinations, dental, eye, and hearing care, nutritional supplements, and wellness programs. This helps you live a longer, healthier life and prevents bigger costs later. When emergencies strike, people often dip into their lifestyle savings, retirement funds, or take personal loans. But with a health corpus, you don't have to touch those. It becomes your first responder, saving your long term plans from getting derailed. How about a health corpus being made into a gift? Gifted to your spouse, especially a homemaker who doesn't have coverage. Build one for your parents so they don't have to ask. Start one for your child, a growing safety fund for their adult years. It's a financial gesture, but more than that, it's a gift of comfort and self respect. Also, taxation does come in. Mediclaim offers Section 80D deductions, which is useful, yes. A health corpus may not have direct tax benefits, but if invested in the right instruments like mutual funds, senior citizen savings schemes, or even PPF, it can still be efficient, liquid, and purposeful. So don't ignore it just because it's not in the 80C, 80D bucket. Also, if you want to look at a bonus segment, if you're a parent like me, raising a child with special needs, let me speak to you personally. I know how unpredictable healthcare costs can be for our children. Insurance may not always cover therapies, assistive devices, special diets, or developmental support. But a health corpus, it covers what insurance excludes. It gives you the power to act instantly, no claims, no proof, no delay. It lets you continue care even when you're not around. And just as importantly, you will need care too. Your child may outlive you. A health corpus ensures you can fund support for them and for yourself with grace. It's not just a fund, it's your way of saying, I've got this. So, to wrap it all up, Mediclaim protects you from the unpredictable. A health corpus protects you from the invisible. Together, they create your full health safety net for you, for your loved ones, for your future. So, thank you for tuning in to the Personal Finance Podcast. If today's episode helped you think differently about health planning, share it with someone, a parent, a colleague, or a sibling who might be relying only on one insurance. And if you're a parent of a child with special needs, know this: you're not alone. You don't have to do it without a plan. Until next time, keep building, keep protecting, and keep planning with purpose.